Good morning, class 8. Today I will discuss about the same chapter, circulatory system, but today's topic is blood group and blood transfusion. Blood group and transfusion. Yes, children. We know that we have, that means human body have 4 types of blood groups, as you heard it about. As children, suppose you have heard about it that blood group A positive, then blood group B positive and B negative, like that. So children, what is the blood group? First of all, you should know about it. Then what is the blood group? Blood group is named by the Karl Landsteiner. This is the name of the scientist. Maybe not in your book, let it be. The Karl Steiner, first he discovered about that antigen. He named it as the antigen or agglutinogen. Let it be, this name is very tough. Antigen. Antigen is a type of protein present on our RBCs. So children, according to the presence of antigen, we have the type of group. First of all, if we have the antigen A, then our blood group will be antigen A. And to fight against the germs, it will produce another protein, our body will produce. This is known as antibody, and this antibody is small b. Please children, mention it very properly. It is in the capital and it is in the small letter. Yet in your book it is written capital letter both, but please don't write it. Antibodies always will be with the small letter. So if in our antigen, in our RBCs, there is A type of antigen, then our blood group will be, that means my blood group will be A, and our body will produce, my body will produce the antibody B. Now come to the next. If on my RBC there is a type of antigen is B, then my blood group will be the B, and antibodies it will produce small a. Children, please learn it very properly, understand it very properly. Antigen A, then group will be A, and producing antibodies will be small b. And antigen B, group will be capital B, and antibodies will be small a. If suppose on our RBCs, both types of antigen will be there, then my blood group will be A, B only. Because both types of antigens are present, so there will be both type of blood group, that is A and B, both names may I get. Blood group will be AB. And then suppose capital, that is for antigen A, antibodies will be small b, and for antigen B, antibody will be small a. So both cannot survive along with the both antigens. So in that blood group AB, there will be no antibodies. Clear it is? So those who have both types of antibodies, both type of antigens, there will be no antibody. Again children, if there is no antigen, that is nil, on our RBC, there is no antigen if I have, then our blood group will be also 0. Yes, and at that time the body will produce both type of antibodies, small a and small b. This is the main reason if the both the type of antigen, that means blood group will be AB, and if there will be both type of antigen, so there will be no antibodies. And 0 means nil, nil means nothing. So according to alphabet, it is termed as the O. So blood group O, they have no antigen in them and they have both type of antibodies in them, A and B, small a, small b. This is the main reason, children, because O blood group, those who have, they can give blood to each and everyone, every person, either A blood group or B blood group or AB blood group. And those who have AB, there is no antibody. So AB, those who have, they can only take from all. Why, children? You can see from here, those who have AB blood group, they can take blood from A because they are having A antigen. They can take from A also. Those who have B, they can take blood from B also because they have B antigen also. They have. And O blood group, because there is no antigen, so there will be no problem of fighting with the antigen and antibody. So O blood group can be donated to each and every type of person. So O is called as universal donor. Universal donor. And AB is termed as universal acceptor. From the AB blood group, they can take blood from each and everyone, and those who have O blood group, they can donate blood to each and everyone. So these are known as universal donor, those who can give everyone, and those who cannot, those who can accept from each and everyone, they are known as universal acceptors. So according to blood transfusion, doctors first check the blood group and then they can predict about it, that which blood group they can get. Either if suppose I have A blood group, so if I need some blood, then I must take blood from blood group A or from O. So this is the possibility, and not possible B and AB. If suppose I have AB blood group, so I can take blood from anyone. So this is the method of transfusion. And then Rh positive and negative. Blood group A positive or A negative, B positive or B negative, like that. So this is done, or Rh is a factor, also a type of protein found on our RBCs, and this Rh factor first seen on in a monkey during any experiment when scientists were doing on the blood of the monkey. When they have seen one factor a monkey have, which factor is present at least 90% of the person found in the world. Then they have given the name. This factor is present almost in everyone. Out of 10, 9% have this factor. So they have given this name is Rh factor. So children, if suppose my blood is A group A, and if I have that antigen, that is Rh factor, then our blood group will be A positive. And Rh factor, if it is not there on our RBCs, then it will be A negative. A antigen is there, so blood group will be A. But if Rh factor will be also there, then A positive, and Rh factor is not there, then it is A negative. Same case, children, for B also. If blood group B have that Rh factor, then it is said to be B positive, and if that person have no Rh factor, then the blood group of that person will be B negative. Same thing here also. if the blood group is AB and Rh factor is also there, then it is said to be AB positive. And if that Rh factor is not there, then the blood group is said to be AB negative. And same thing for O. Blood group is O, that means no antigen is there, but Rh factor is there, so O positive. And no antigen is there, blood group O, Rh factor is also not there, then the blood group will be O negative. So these are the 4 blood group system. It is called A, B, AB and O. It is termed as 4 blood group system, and this 4 blood group system, these are designated like that according to the antigen. And same thing will happen when about the Rh factor is also there, then blood group will be positive, and Rh factor if it is not there, then blood group will be the negative. So children, for today it is over. God bless you. Thank you. Please learn it properly. Thank you children.